How to create a password page for Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up your store on Shopify. Then you are going to create a password page to not give the access to everyone at the visiting of the store. This method is used for putting exclusive stores and also notifying the exclusiveness of your content or your product. So all you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com. Then you are going to sign in into your account. As you can see here, we have the name of the store, Jack Smith Clothing. So this is just a test account or test store to make sure that you are going to understand every step on this tutorial. So we are going to see here the Shopify admin. And now we are going to set up the stores or set up the products. If you don't have a product, this is not a problem. But here I want to clarify something. At the base of Shopify free plan, you're going to get the password page everywhere. So your page or your store on Shopify will not be visible without a password. And how we can remove that, you're going to buy a premium plan. So go ahead and buy a subscription for Shopify to release the password of yours. So this would be here mandatory to remove the password, but in case you are going to hide the exclusivity or make some hype about your brand, you're going to add this feature. So how we can see this feature, we are going to click on online store. Click on online store. Now we are going to see here the themes, blog posts, pages, navigations, and preferences. So the first thing we are going to do right here is to select the theme. Then we are going to customize our password page. We are going to click on customize. Then we are going to see here the theme editor. Once you are on the theme editor, it will be loading all the elements and the store of yours. So make sure that you see everything loaded and everything works well. So in my case, I have added a lot of products and also added a lot of sections, blocks, and etc. This is not a finished store, but it will do the job correctly. So how we can access the password page? It is a very good question. All we need to do is to head over right here, the home page. We're going to click on it. Then we are going to see here a drop down menu. This drop down menu has everything about this store from the product pages, collection pages, list, gift cards, cart, checkout, and all the pages. So if you drop down a little bit, you're going to see here password, which is the password page. We are going to select this specific page, and here we have the page password. Now, we are going to customize this page to make sure that everything will work. So, by here, we have a banner, or we can see that we have a background image. You're going to select, for example, here a background image to make something better. So, we're going to choose this page for this image. We are going to make it like this. So we are going just to not make it black and gray and white. So this was very boring. Now for the email sign up banner, you can go ahead and add the email sign up, or you can go ahead, for example, here I'm going to hide the banner, but I'm going to add a section. These sections we are going to add, for example, something like we are going to add a image banner. So go ahead and add the image banner. We're going to delete some of the elements right here. We're going to remove all of these elements. Boom. Now we are going to put the image of that specific one. Here we have the first image. I'm going to put the same image. Go ahead and put it like this, and boom. Now we are going to customize it and add another, maybe a block or a button. For example, you are going to add a heading, and this heading can contain a text. For the text, you are going to click on heading, then you are going to customize it. For example, coming soon. Here we have the heading. Now we are going to add a text or a text block. Here we are going to put it right away. We are going to fuse it here with the coming soon. So I'm going to delete all of the text here. So we are going to put here rest easy and patient. Patient. We have, for example, all of your needs in clothings, for example, like that. Then we are going to put here, for example, let's go ahead and add another block. So I'm going to add another section. So we are going to add a rich text. Go ahead and add it. Let's see here where do we have it. So where is our rich text? So here we have it. I'm going to click on it. Then we are going to modify it. So we're going to put, for example, here, let's say that we're going to grand opening, and we're going to put, for example, a date, the 3rd, the 30, for example, October, maybe like that, 2024. So then we are going to delete all of that. We don't need it. For the button, I don't want to add a button. So this text, now we are going to see here, grand opening. I'm going to see this button. Now we are going to set up everything. Here we have the password. We are going to click on save. First thing first, we have saved everything. Now we are going to exit the store. Now back to the online stores, we're going to select preferences. And within the preferences, we're going to wait for the load of the store. So we are going to see here a lot of elements, but the most efficient one is the password protection. You're going to check up this page, restrict access to visitors with password. Go ahead and put the password like that, and make sure to see this specific password and go ahead and copy and paste it into a safe um, right there document or file. So when you are going to visit right here the website, you're going to face this password right here page. If you want to enter that specific area and you are an admin, or you want to give the access to the admins, you're going to give them only the password. Click on enter, and you are going to set right here the requests. So there's only a restriction show, so we are going to deactivate this. Now we are going to see if everything is back to normal. So here we have it. In case you are going to add, for example, a temporary product, I highly recommend to you to go ahead to the online store again, select themes, customize your theme. Then we are going to head over the password page. You are going to click on home page, get to the password page. So here we have a unlimited amount of choices. So we are going to add, for example, a section. And here we are going only to showcase only one product. So we're going to feature a product. And this featured product, we are going to put, for example, here, this specific product. I'm going to select one. Make sure to add this specific product to your store. And let's say that we are going to work with this. We're going to click on select. Boom. Here we have the product. So here, all you need to do is to make sure that everything is going well. So in my case, I will go ahead and change this product because it has a lot of words and it is not very attracting. See here the headband, perfect. Here we have only a title, no description, no anything. So here we have it. We're going to click on save, and whenever a person visit your website, they will only get this specific product. They can only buy this one. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.